This is the moment a woman laughed in court after being charged with the capital murder of her children's father. 30-year-old Shatice Renae Jackson, who was arrested after police say she intentionally ran over Mickese James Bostic, her children's father, during an Easter Sunday gathering in Birmingham. During her first court appearance, Jackson was observed smiling, laughing, and mouthing words to people in the courtroom, drawing wide attention and outrage. It all began on Easter Sunday, when family members gathered for a birthday party at a home on Lisa Lane in Birmingham. The atmosphere, filled with children and relatives, quickly turned tragic. Police say Jackson and Bostic, who share children together, got into a heated argument earlier that evening. Officers actually responded to the home, but at that moment, they didn't find evidence of a crime. Jackson left. For a brief time, the situation seemed to have cooled, but then she came back. Witnesses told investigators that Jackson retrieved a firearm and fired a shot. Then, in a horrifying turn, Jackson climbed into her car and drove directly at Bostic, pinning him against the house. The impact killed him within minutes. Emergency responders pronounced him dead at 10:21 p.m. in front of his family. Because children were present and witnessed the tragedy, under Alabama law, if a child under 14 witnessed a parent being murdered, the charge automatically becomes capital murder, one of the most serious charges under Alabama law. Jackson was arrested, booked into jail, and held without bond. At her first court appearance, she shocked the courtroom not with words, but with her demeanor. Cameras captured her grinning and laughing, almost as if she didn't grasp the gravity of the situation. But for the family of Mickese Bostic, who worked as a juvenile detention officer, the scene was devastating. Her mother told the judge she had secured a lawyer to represent her, and a follow-up hearing was scheduled. But until then, Jackson remains behind bars, facing the possibility of life in prison, or even the death penalty, if she's convicted. The case of Shatice Renae Jackson is disturbing. A young father lost his life in an act of violence, and now the mother of his children is facing the ultimate consequence. As this case moves forward, the courtroom will become the stage where truth, motive, and accountability are weighed. But no matter the verdict, one fact remains unchangeable. 3 children have been left without their father, and possibly without their mother too. Do you think Shatice Jackson should face the death penalty for her actions, or is life imprisonment enough? Please like and subscribe.